You're going to be victorious and you are going to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. You have been planning in the background as to how you're going to get out of your situation, whatever situation that is. You know, you've been actually doing the work. You've been also broadening your knowledge. You know, this could be in regards to maybe training for something, training for a position, you know, preparing yourself for a exam at university or college. But whatever you put in, you're going to get back out. The universe has not forgotten you. It's easier said than done. You are so deserving. You have detached away from distractions. You have faced many disappointments. You have been overlooked when you actually should have been chosen. You have missed out on opportunities when these opportunities should have been yours, and you didn't give up. You kept trying because you are powerful, you're strong, you have a lot of resilience, and it's not easy. It's really not easy. But the more you keep healing and the more you keep believing in yourself, you will achieve everything that there is to achieve. You will see better days ahead. Outings out with your friends and family, enjoying life, dancing your cares away, joking, laughing, connecting to your inner child. Those days are waiting for you. Right now, you might be feeling a little bit stuck. It's understandable. But during this time, just know that it's not a punishment. It's easier said than done, I understand. But during this time of isolation, know that the answers will come to you. Know that spirit will move through you or move through people to help and aid you. You will become enlightened. You will smile again. You will express yourself again. It's your birthright to be happy. You didn't come on this earth to suffer. You will create your own magic. You will create the life that you desire and that you deserve. You will not wait for others to choose you, because guess what? You're going to choose yourself. You will reach harmony, balance, and inner peace. And you will restore that inner love that you may have been searching for through others. You will find love in this lifetime. There are people out there that love you. Whether that's your family members, your romantic partner, a crush. Yeah, that crush loves you. Your friends, your work colleagues. You will stabilize your finances, your emotions, your mental health. You will regain your confidence. You will have the energy, the determination to go towards your goals and dreams unapologetically, without seeking permission for other people's validation. You will find clarity on what to do in a certain situation with a certain difficult person, at work, in a relationship. You will squash that beef. If it means to cut the person off, walk away. Don't even give them a response. You will gain the 10 of Pentacles, because after the 9 of Pentacles comes the 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, you will live happily ever after. Some people feel like that's so far-fetched. But your happier ever after is what you make it. You will deepen your spirituality. You will do the healing work, the shadow work. You will not run away from any triggers. You'll face them. You'll feel them. And you'll heal from them. You will get time to rest, recenter, regroup, recharge, and return. You won't feel guilty for taking naps. You're not always supposed to be go, 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 go. You're not a robot. You're allowed to rest, my darling. You're allowed to be. You're allowed to nurture yourself. Just the same way that you nurture others. You will find love. And this love is going to be an amazing love. Not a one-sided love. Not with no F-boys or F-girls. Someone that's emotionally mature, emotionally ready. You will focus on your goals and your talents and embrace your goals and your talents and not downplay them, not neglect them. You will spend special attention in regards to what you prioritize, even if people don't believe in your goals and dreams. These talents, these goals and dreams are going to generate you so much abundance. And not just financial abundance, because yeah, it will definitely, but happiness, inner abundance. Do you know how free you're going to feel when you get to express your art to the world? You will overcome these blockages. These blockages of feeling mentally trapped. Every time you're near to a goal, something gets blocked. The blocks are going to be removed. You will be clear-minded and know what to do and how to do anything that you put your mind to. You're not going to allow your fears to scare you anymore. You're not going to allow anyone to scare you anymore, regardless of who they are. You're not going to dim your light. You're going to build on your confidence. You're going to pour into yourself. You're going to love yourself, and you're going to receive so much love from others. This is your good karma season, my darling, and it's well deserved. You are going to overcome those blockages, and you will be financially abundant in this lifetime. Take care of yourself, and I'll speak to you soon. Keep shining.